So if you have a 401k or any retirement plan right now, great time to just transfer as much as you can over. I worked at a company before, and when that trade war was happening in 2018, when Trump was going back and forth with China, etc., right? The market was plummeting quite a bit. And this goes above across the indices as well as stocks. And let's see if we can take a quick look how that looked because it was pretty ugly. I remembered. This is like 2018. I think, yeah, this was like around this time. So it was like, so we're looking at NASDAQ. So it was peaking like 7,500 and it went down to like 7,000. Because I was definitely around that time. And look at this dip as well. It went from 8,000 all the way down to 6,300. And when that happens, it's like almost 2,000 points down. You want to get in. So what I did during that time is I maximized my contribution. They allowed you to offset how much you wanted to put per pay period. So the luxury about that is that it's not always a fixed amount. Like it's not like 10% across the year or every paycheck. I can go in, literally say, for now, since I see the market is down, I want to put 35%. And that's what I did. They let you put a max of 35% of your pay. And this is your gross pay, not your net, your gross before taxes that you can put aside, because that's the first thing that they minus and deduct first. So I did that, contributed that, and then my returns was great. My returns really, I saw them during that rebound after COVID really spiked up. So I think I might have had contributed maybe around 40 or 50 grand in total. And it peaked around 110. So it's like two times. No, I think I contributed less, honestly. So, but it definitely peaked like two times plus than what I actually contributed inside of that retirement account and such. So there is a huge upside as well whenever you're seeing that the market is dropping like that. You just got to be patient and make the sacrifice. I know it's hard because when they're pulling more out of your 401k, you get less cash to you. However, the advantage part is that you're getting taxed less. The cost of you keeping cash inside of your pocket and not putting towards your retirement, it costs you more money because you have to give more to Uncle Sam at a higher percentage. But if you end up putting more towards your retirement, your taxable income becomes less, meaning you're getting taxed at a lower percentage, which means it costs you less money to be able to actually put money inside of your retirement. So technically, you kind of have more money. Even though when you get retired, I haven't reached there yet. I'm sure it's going to be amazing. And I'll have to figure out exactly how I'm going to withdraw money slowly and slowly without paying the taxes on it. Because you do have to pay the taxes when you do the withdrawal after you completely retire. But you can always offset your taxes, right? If you got property taxes and all this stuff, these are things you gotta do. Rental properties, you got cost, depreciation costs, and all these things you can put in play, so you can really offset it. And that's why I prefer to put in a pre-tax contribution instead of the Roth side of things.